This alone is going to pay for this course. You take your vehicle in to do an oil change at a shop. It's going to cost as much as this course, if not more. Welcome to the Automotive Masterclass. My name is Jay Stokes, and I've been in the automotive industry for over 20 years. I've done everything from customs to classics, off-road. That's the inside of a brake drum. In this masterclass, you're going to be able to understand your vehicle. You're going to avoid being taken advantage of. If somebody comes out and it looks like this, and you're going to learn basic maintenance that you can do by yourself. This is why it's very, very important to maintain and change your oil. I could get paid $250 to do that same inspection I just showed you that you can do in your own driveway. Pry bar, a jack and jack stand. Do your own brake job. Fix your own suspension. Find those clunks. Do that ball joint check. Rather than going to pay that $250 diagnostic fee, you buy yourself a tool. You know what tools to use and when to use them, which tools to buy, which tools that are going to help you accomplish your goals.